on her part.
Arora, you are an infertility expert and you have taught as a faculty at Chandigarh Medical College, and you decided to come for this particular course. How much are you benefited as for this course?
Yeah, I find this a wonderful course which covers all the aspects of lesions on cervix, and I think it has been made so simple by Dr. Shada Jain ma'am that all of us at all levels we are able to understand about it thoroughly, and it has deeply gone in our minds the need of HPV vaccination as well as doing the screening, which I used to do earlier also, but now it is like I think it's my responsibility. Now I have seen the figures and that particular slide 70, 90, 70, 90, that is really seeped in my mind. And I assure Dr. Sardar Jain ma'am that I'm going to take this as my social responsibility also, apart from the professional responsibility to help out my nation in achieving this goal. And I fully recommend this course. Whosoever will ask me, I will give it 100 on 100. Must join. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Sunita, I think very rightly you have said, you know what is the colossal aim is in front of us, and we know from where we have to make a start. And each and every gynecologist, you have been a very senior gynecologist, you have remained a faculty member for 5 years before you have gone and got yourself trained in US and come back here as an IVF expert. But you feel there is a need, there's a need. And quite a few things one does not know. आपको बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी लगेंगी, आप कहने को बोल सकोगे कि आपको आता है, बट नहीं आता।
बिल्कुल ठीक है, मैं totally agree.
फैक्ट आपने वैक्सीनेशन नहीं लिया, द फैक्ट आप उसको स्क्रीन नहीं करते, द फैक्ट आप उस पर्टिकुलर जगह पे, इसका मतलब आपने इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस को जाना नहीं। मैंने एक स्लाइड में हर बार दिखाती हूँ उनका कि हमारे को ये जो हमारे अंदर ऑब्सेशन है कि हमें बहुत आता है, यू डोंट नो एनीथिंग, एंड आपका रिविलेशन तभी आएगा जब आप रियलाइज करोगे कि मुझे नहीं आता।
मैम आपने एक दो चीज बोली ना कि जब हम लोगों की ट्रेनिंग हुई थी ना, व्हेन आई वाज आल्सो ट्रेन्ड, क्रायोकॉटरी थी नहीं, यूसीएमएस में नहीं थी, हार्डिंग में नहीं थी, सो वी हैव नॉट सीन दैट एज स्टूडेंट्स, so that's why there is a sense of incomplete knowledge about these things is not there.
It's a simple machine. I feel you invest in cryocotry, and by the time you say, I'm not going to function, it will pay you 300 times. Colposcope you invest today, and in 2 years' time, you will recover all money. And then after that, it is all bonus. जब तक आपके पास टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं होगी, जब तक आपके पास नो हाउ नहीं होगा, आपको स्टेप ही नहीं पता चलेगा। आज आपने इतने बड़े फील्ड में आप आए हो, तो आपको एक बात बिल्कुल क्लियर हो जानी चाहिए कि ये आपके लिए नया होराइजन खुल गया, नया होराइजन खुल गया। As an IVF expert also you can do the same thing which Niharika can do it. आप बात मालूम नहीं करोगे, आज दीपिका नहीं आई क्योंकि दीपिका के लिए एरिया नहीं है। She's a dietitian, very senior dietitian. Hello? Yes? Yes. So you find, it is going to be really effective. आप जानते नहीं कि आपने क्या कोर्स लिया है। मैंने आपको अपने कार्ड्स ओपन किए कि it has taken us really lots of money we spent on it, and we have devised it so beautifully. I feel this is required for nurses, this is required for MBBS doctor, this is required for BIMS doctor, this is required for BMS doctor, this is required for DGO, this is required for MD doctor. And I'm sure 100% the knowledge which Niharika has taken, the same knowledge Dr. Arora has taken. No difference.
Right.
I find Niharika knows much better because she has just given a AIMS examination. She knows me much better than myself. खाली इनका practical aspect बहुत sound नहीं है। अब मैडम मुझसे छोटी सी बात पे इसी पे नाराज